Hey guys, come on in. So we are getting ready to do a haul video from Sweetie Nail Supply. I know that it has been a long time, but I had to just step back and just kind of like stay away from social media for a little bit. But I think I am ready to get back into filming. And so I thought, why not do a haul video for the first video because everybody likes hauls. And besides, I have to kind of like go through these boxes anyways again because I need to see what I ordered, because these are boxes from their pre-Black Friday sale in 2025. And I've had them sitting in this room probably since the beginning or the middle of December of 2025. So I was on Sweetie Nail Supply website last night and also on the Saracen website last night because I was getting ready to put in some orders. And I thought, well, maybe we should look and see what's in these boxes first. I'm also working on my lighting. I have some new lights up there. And then I have this light over here, but I think I have two of these lights over here. So I'm not sure. I've been trying to work on camera angles, even though I haven't been filming. But yeah, so let's go ahead and get started. So we're doing one box at a time. This is the first box. And yes, it was during, it was November 25th that I ordered, and I think it was like their pre-Black Friday sale. So it's like they had a really good, like, I don't know if it was 30 or 35% off code. And like, because like if you ordered so much, then you got extra off, and then also you got free gifts or something. I'm pretty sure I think that's what it was. I mean, I can't swear by it, but I think that's what it was. So these are the free gifts. So it came with, and I got two because, you know, both boxes had it in it because, of course, you know, I probably spent too much money. So we'll just get over that part. Anyways, so hand masks, have not used them. I should use it though. Then there's this cute little bag from Bandy. And it's just like a little canvas bag. It has a little zipper top. It's really cute. It's a good size. It's actually a good size bag. Like if you can see it, like it kind of fits like the whole width of the box. So it's actually a pretty nice size bag. So we got that. And then there was this little Nordic Deer by Bandy hand serum. This smells really good. This one's not opened, but I did open another one. I was carrying it in my purse when we were in Wisconsin. So anyway, so then I have this. So let's go ahead and get everything else out of the box, and then we will be back. Okay, so let's have a look at the brushes. So this one is the Sweetie Nail Supply liner number 1. And it looks like a really nice liner brush. It's got a very nice size. And I like the silicone lids. I really do like these lids because they don't fall off. So I really do enjoy that. This is the Sweetie, let's focus now. This is the Sweetie Nail Supply liner number 2. So it's a smaller liner, a little shorter, but really nice. Seems really nice. This is the Sweetie Nail Supply Oval Long number 3. Oh, okay. So it's just an oval. So that's nice. And it's fairly thin. I don't know if you can see that. Like, see? It's kind of like thin. So this is number 4. It is the Sweetie Nail Supply Check number 4. And I wanted this because I want to do the plaid. So that's what that looks like. And I think I did do plaid with this. I did a test nail. And then this one is the Sweetie Nail Supply Petal number 5. And I got this one because I think it was, I don't know if it was Hope. Not sure if it was Hope. Might have been Hope. She said that she liked the petal brush to do the molds with. So, and because it's a thinner tip, but then it's thicker down here. She just recently said it to about a different brush, but I think she might have said it about this one as well. When I was purchasing it, I don't think they had them in a set. I think I had to purchase them separately. Okay, so we have 3 collections. And the reason why we have 3 collections from Yogurt Nail is because I have already purchased things from Sweetie Nail Supply. I just did not do the hauls on them because I have been lazy. I wanted to start using my stuff. I did not want to film. There was stuff going on. I know everybody has stuff going on. So we got the Sugar Bubble collection, we got the aquarium collection, and we got the lingerie collection. So I want to open up this one definitely because there's some colors in here that I think I might use for my niece's wedding. So anyway, so here it is out of the plastic. A jewel-like magnet gel that glitters deep in the sea. Aquarium collection. And then here's the back. Okay. Now, at the top. Okay, so these are nice. Okay, so, and I like their bottles because like you can stack a whole bunch of them in your nail polish rack. Okay, so this one, what's this in here? Let's look at this. Okay, so this is like your little swatch card. Very pretty, very oceany. I'm really liking just the very soft, very kind of pastel-y, kind of syrupy gels is what I've been enjoying. So that's why I went ahead and decided to get some of their magnet gels. So let's go ahead and let's look at the MG49. I have a different magnet. Oh, that's pretty. That's definitely like giving me mermaid vibes. Okay, yeah, so you can see that. Yeah, can you see the shift? Yeah, that's pretty. Okay, so let's go ahead and swatch MG50. And this is a really, really pretty blue. It looks like it has purple in it. It looks like it has some greens in it. Let's see. Yeah. So there's the shift. It's really pretty. Yeah. I really like that one. Okay, so this is a green. It's MG51. Kind of, I don't know, kind of like a seafoamy, kind of tealy, more seafoamy, I would think. I think I would call it more seafoamy. Oh, that's pretty. Look at that. I like that. That's cute. Okay, so this is MG52. It's like a light blue, kind of grayishy blue, silvery blue. Looks like it's got some green in it. You can see the shift. I guess it's just like, do they all have like silver shift? Is that what it is? Okay, so this one is MG53. It's looking like a silvery gray to me, maybe taupey, maybe kind of taupey. It has some blues and purples and greens in it. Okay, so this one is MG54. It's like a yellowy green. I hope my monitor, the light on, oh, the color on my monitor is horrible. So I can't tell like if you guys can see the true color. Okay, so this one is MG55. It's like a brown taupe, brown beige. It's a pretty color. Kind of looks like champagne. Maybe a little bit of a shift. Okay, this one is MG56. It's maybe like a pinkish brown. Okay. It's like a kind of a pinky brown. It's so hard to see. Like in my camera screen, it's showing up pretty true to color. On my monitor, my separate monitor, it's not looking, it's looking black and white. It's looking, I don't know what's going on with the monitor. Okay, this one is MG57. It's kind of like a pinky mauve. A mauve-y. It's a really pretty color. And it just, you know, it's just so hard just to try to sit there and do the cat eye on the brush. Well, for me it is. Okay, and then this is the last one. It's MG58. I can kind of see where like some of them are like aquarium colors, like ocean colors, but some of the other ones I don't know, I don't totally see it, but that's okay. And we have some shift, a little bit of a shift. That's just more like just like a silver. They're not mixed up the best right now. They have been sitting forever. Okay, this is the lingerie collection. How does this open? Side? Oh, okay, so it slides out. Woohoo! I like these colors. Ooh, these are pretty. Look at these. I'm not so sure about that color. But I like all the rest of them. Okay, so this is MG59. Oh, this is pretty. It's kind of like a bronze. It's like a bronze. Where's my magnet? Get off of there. Oh yeah, I like that one. That's really pretty. Yeah, that is pretty. Okay, MG60. It's another brownish pink. Magnet is sticking to my scissors. Well, I just demagnetize that. There we go. Very pretty. Okay, this one is MG61. It's another brownie pink. Some of the colors are so close together. Like they look kind of the same. Like if you could buy them separately, I would maybe skip some of them in the collection because some of them are they just seem so close. At least on the brush they do. I don't know what they're gonna look like on the swatch, but that's just what it seems like to me. Okay, this is MG62. And this is more pinky. It's pretty. Okay, this is MG63. This is nice. Oh, that's pretty. I like that. That's pretty. MG64. This is like is it almost like a purple burgundy or? It's really pretty. That's nice. So this one is MG65. It's kind of like I don't know, it seems kind of, oh, what is that? That's pretty. Okay, and then this one is MG66. I mean, it's pretty. Okay, so that was that set, and here was the little card, the swatch card. Okay, and then we have the sugar bubble. Okay, here is the little swatch card that it comes with. Very cute. Looks like a little bubble. Okay, so let's try to swatch this one. It's MG41. I'm just curious. I mean, just by itself, just like without, you know, doing anything to it, it's nice. We go like this. This is MG42. I don't know. I don't know about the chunky ones. I mean, you can see some movement, but I have a hard time with them. This one is MG43. Purple's pretty. You just get just a little movement. Okay, this is MG44. I think I'm gonna have to do that on black swatch sticks too. Okay, maybe that's better. So this is a really pretty purple. Purpley pink. I'm getting some movement. This is MG45. MG46. This is really pretty. I think it's just me. I think it's because I'm doing it on the brush. And it's just not a big enough area. But it's pretty. It's really, really pretty. Okay, MG47. Oh, that's pretty. Okay, this is MG48. It's like I don't know, a pinky beige? Yeah, probably pinky beige. I'm not really good at describing color. It's really pretty. I really do like it. It's a nice color. But I think that's going to wrap up this video, you guys, because I'm sure it's already long enough. Anyways, this is going to be the end of this video. Let me know in the comments what set you guys like. What's your favorite set, or what are your favorite colors? I'm going to do swatches. I think it would be better on swatches. And I might do them on black swatch sticks. So stay tuned for that. So anyways, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day. See you in the next one. Bye.